Summary of the Rebel Diet. Feed your appetite and lose weight with 100 Defiantly Delicious Recipes by Benji Xavier. Overview. Embracing a new approach to eating, the Rebel Diet challenges the conventional wisdom surrounding dieting, offering an innovative, rebellious approach to weight loss. Benji Xavier invites readers to break free from restrictive, joyless eating plans and instead embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes both pleasure and health. With its focus on satisfying appetites rather than suppressing them, the book introduces 100 delectable recipes designed to help readers lose weight without sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. At its core, the Rebel Diet is about rejecting the notion that dieting has to be miserable. Xavier's philosophy is built on the idea that when we eat foods we love, in ways that nourish our bodies and minds, weight loss becomes a sustainable and enjoyable process. Key concepts in the Rebel Diet: rebellion against restriction. Traditional diets often revolve around cutting out entire food groups or limiting calorie intake to the point of deprivation. Xavier argues that such approaches are unsustainable and lead to feelings of guilt, frustration, and eventual binging. Instead, the Rebel Diet encourages readers to embrace indulgence in moderation, showing that it's possible to enjoy rich, flavorful meals while still achieving weight loss goals. Listening to your appetite. A central tenet of Xavier's approach is learning to trust and listen to your body. By tuning into hunger cues and understanding cravings, readers can identify what their bodies truly need rather than mindlessly adhering to external rules. This mindful eating philosophy helps to foster a healthier relationship with food. Balancing flavor and nutrition, Xavier emphasizes that healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing taste. The Rebel Diet showcases how bold flavors, vibrant spices, and quality ingredients can elevate healthy meals into something truly enjoyable. The recipes highlight a balance of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates that fuel the body while keeping it satisfied. Sustainability and enjoyment. The book champions the idea that diets should fit seamlessly into everyday life. Unlike fad diets that demand drastic changes, the Rebel Diet offers recipes and strategies that are realistic and sustainable for the long term. By focusing on foods that are delicious and easy to prepare, Xavier helps readers build a lifestyle they can maintain with joy. The structure of the book. Introduction. The Rebel Manifesto. Xavier opens the book by discussing his own journey with food and weight loss. Frustrated by years of yo-yo dieting, he discovered that rebellion against dieting norms was the key to his success. The introduction sets the stage for readers to reframe their perspective on dieting and adopt a more empowering mindset. The Rebel Rules. This section outlines the foundational principles of the Rebel Diet. Xavier debunks popular dieting myths, such as the belief that carbs are the enemy or that fat should be avoided at all costs. Instead, he presents evidence-based guidelines that focus on balance, variety, and satisfaction. Rebel-friendly recipes. The heart of the book is its collection of 100 recipes, which are divided into categories such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts. Each recipe is designed to be both nutritious and indulgent, proving that healthy eating can be exciting and delicious. Examples include savory breakfast bowls featuring roasted vegetables, poached eggs, and creamy avocado, hearty soups and salads like the spiced lentil and sweet potato stew or the Mediterranean quinoa salad, comfort foods reinvented with recipes like zucchini noodle carbonara and cauliflower crust pizza, decadent desserts such as dark chocolate avocado mousse and berry parfaits with honey Greek yogurt. Meal planning and prep. To help readers integrate the Rebel Diet into their daily lives, Xavier provides tips on meal prepping, grocery shopping, and time-saving hacks. This section emphasizes flexibility and customization, ensuring that readers can adapt the plan to suit their tastes and schedules. Mindset and motivation. Xavier delves into the psychological aspects of weight loss, exploring topics like emotional eating, self-compassion, and building healthy habits. He encourages readers to focus on progress rather than perfection, celebrating small victories along the way. What sets the Rebel Diet apart? No guilt, just joy. Xavier's tone is refreshingly positive and encouraging, making dieting feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. The book's emphasis on guilt-free eating helps readers let go of shame and rediscover the pleasure of food. Realistic approach. Unlike many diet books that require expensive ingredients or complex recipes, The Rebel Diet is practical and accessible. The recipes are straightforward, using familiar ingredients that can be found in most grocery stores. A focus on inclusivity. The recipes cater to a variety of dietary needs and preferences, including vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free options. This inclusivity ensures that anyone can follow the Rebel Diet regardless of their lifestyle or restrictions. A celebration of food. More than just a weight loss guide, the Rebel Diet is a celebration of the sensory joys of cooking and eating. Xavier's passion for food shines through in every recipe, inspiring readers to view food not as the enemy but as an ally in their health journey. The takeaway message. The Rebel Diet is not just about losing weight. It's about reclaiming the joy of eating and building a sustainable, healthy relationship with food. Benji Xavier empowers readers to defy dieting norms, embrace indulgence, and create a lifestyle that prioritizes both well-being and pleasure. With its vibrant recipes and uplifting philosophy, the book is a refreshing antidote to the negativity and restrictions often associated with dieting. Whether you're a seasoned eater looking for a new approach or someone who wants to lose weight without giving up the foods you love, the Rebel Diet offers the tools, recipes, and inspiration to succeed.